say I'm on penny by no or Casa Fefe say one President Mahama or Casam so no or appointing MPP judges. Uka Yakura any Gisa Samana one penny dada a kaina and
no cry.
Okay, any problem we are now cost to say Sasamonunti 2024 election right thinking citizens shouldn't vote for President Mahama. Now, also, I can say, sir, eba scandal na ekosuno. Yabo Mr. Mahama na up to now, no asem yenye biye. Ye hunsa ade na oye say obeye campaign ho. Na ye association no enye political platform. Ye inviting so obeye campaign. Nti na say ye ni njem. Nti aspect no they condemn and ya de akire so ye kra o anyelu menim so no ankasa ankra bia o jinhu anopa o be say anka me no manka no sa
na menim say o mampani man speech definitely on first speech in Mremonti no Eduzi Tamaklo say the bar conference intentionally created a platform for the president to attack Omampeni Mahama. Did the Amaka to Abontino? Do you think it is enough for any minds to be cleared to say, and yes, Anna Moye?
And yes, sir, because this is not the first time Omampeni address here. Omampeni Akufuado or a lawyer, when he was in opposition or by a conference time there, into a president, you know. You inviting on one case my design as say ma we near winti member. Now starting a president 2017 over India. And he say Edujika Sasem no any coin so kasa because one kasa or he's a member of the association. The fact that they have identified themselves with the NDC doesn't mean that they are no longer part of the association. Oh, lawyer for we organ a kaba association. You say yeah nipa 8 years executive. A young one association, yeah, leaders. What I say, Ina, Lloyd, dear Nigana, only member of the Ghana Association. And when my map politics and Chichi, Moana, a divide here, that wouldn't help us. And also, your politicians, so yes, sir, say, invite you on the address here. Among focusing on national issues, topical issues, and yet campaign as on Mumbai.
In another breath, the bar president, lawyer Yabuafo, made a categorical statement, say the bar is not happy with the way and manner president is handling his ministers, CEOs, and government appointees when it comes to corruption allegations. I acquired to say, na statement about from the Jubilee House, say, Nipa we, Adeoye, and Yashim, Onyen from Sony Ade. He was very emphatic about it, say it leaves much to be desired. And no more can I say, Omampeni so say, did he accept it with a pinch of salt? Because we have heard him say he's not a clearing agent.
Oh, you know, Omampeni or assignment BNT or no aggressive effect, and or Fihansana, Mr. Yabuafo, reading his speech, you know, and so Omampeni representatives or called Mahu, and probably flash of more. Now, to begin with, you know, for Ghana Association President Yabuafo, Etimika said, any given send our handling corruption. That should send a signal that we are not in bed with government. Other than that, wouldn't have said that. What they say. Secondly, Oman Penyimba and they will say, YSC, minimum evidence now. Now, the fact is that, to be honest and be fair to him, or fully procedure, anytime allegations are made, you know, he will refer that appointee involved to the relevant institution for investigation. As to whether he doesn't determine whether wrong findings or adverse findings should be made against that particular appointee. And this institution will cause some number also assembling the evidence be any cosa any coins will be a blaming one paying. Now, so does that solve our problem? Because we bet my effort now be a measure effort. We don't measure effort, what we measure is resource. And despite all this government business or corruption, Aswatiana, it appears corruption is gradually getting institutionalized in Ghana. And it is not because President Akufo-Addo is in charge. It started long ago. And let us come together. Say, but brilliantly, no. The markers and defense say, answer na fight corruption. You say we have a second look at our laws on corruption. And no one paying to cast and my suggestion now always have always said and say or have been say. I don't know which marker say the giver of bribe and the taker of bribe are equally guilty. The giver and the taker are not foolish to go into a transaction and that number Babonti America. And here limited deals to limited to only the taker. To the extent that the envelope who is a public official who names a opponent sending me and now with this you wouldn't know whether you are being set up. That is the only immunity say that my fight corruption.
Saviour, could you make us pay?
Yes,
okay.